And the most coveted prize in Shine Wrestling on the line, and one that woman knows very, very well. The first person in history to ever wear that coveted championship around her waist. It's the Shine champ in trouble here. Oh! Rain has seized control here. Stormy Lee is on the outside and attacking Tisha Price here. Ray looking for the imprint DDT. Acid Rain, but it's LuFisto going to the midsection. Rain hesitated when she saw Lee attack Price. And LuFisto has pounced here. Cannonball in the corner.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am joined at this time by your Shine champion, LuFisto.
First of all, it's the longest ever reigning Shine champion, and I beat the first Shine champion tonight. Oh, poor Rain. She was suffering so much. Did you see that? And by the way, I beat Rain while being sick. You should have brought me chicken soup, and actually you should sing Soft Kitty to me right now, because I've been sick all week. I'm waiting. No, never mind. I don't want to hear you sing. All that to say that at Shine 49 in New York City, baby, at La Boom, it's gonna be boom, boom, I don't care whose face, because I'm gonna walk out still the
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You see, LuFisto, I just came from management, and as of right now, March 10th at La Boom, you are looking at your next challenger.
She's the tag
Oh
champ.
yeah, it doesn't matter. I'll be the first ever two-time champ here at Shine. Yes, a tag champ and that champ right there. Whether you like it or not, you are facing the Latina sensation, Mercedes Martinez, come March 10th.
See you there, mamacita.
You heard it, ladies and gentlemen. Is Mercedes Martinez going to be the one to stop the unstoppable title reign of LuFisto?